Are you thinking about starting a keto lifestyle but feeling confused about what to eat? Many beginners find that the biggest challenge is staying organized and consistent. Keto meal planning does not have to be complicated. Keep things simple. Start by choosing easy meals that fit your personal preferences. Creating a grocery list can help make your shopping organized. It is important to keep your meal plan flexible. To help beginners, I created the free Keto Success Planner. Start simple, plan ahead, and build a routine that works for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the free Keto Success Planner.